Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this McLaren P1 static website. Okay, this is just a simple static website I just want to quickly create so that you have an understanding of how to do this. So let's get started. If you're looking to get a 20% discount on Hostinger, then use the referral code in the description below, or go to the Hostinger website and in the website URL add question mark referral code is equal to swebdev and press enter. The code will be applied on checkout. So let's continue with the rest of the video. Now in this, I'm going to give it a prompt to tell it to use Figma images to quickly create this, and then we'll just fix it up at the end wherever it has some kind of problems. But here, what I've done is I've created two folders in the public folder, and this is like a basic setup, by the way. This isn't anything complicated. When you use npx create beat at latest, that's basically what this is. So this is a React project, by the way. So in this, I've told it to use the images. So in this, I've created an image folder, and all of these are images that were used in the Figma file, and I just extracted those and put those here like individual images, and you'll see the final result and understand. I'll even show you later. But also I've added these videos, okay, and I'll show you the final result of what I'm trying to do with this. But for now, I've just put in all of the videos and all of the images, and I'm going to tell it to use this according to the different sections of the website. Okay, so let's get started. Here I'm going to give it this prompt, and I'm just going to take in all of this. I'm not going to use this. Actually, I'm going to use this as well. I'm going to drag and drop this in. Okay, all of the images are given. And I'm also going to add one more thing. So I've also added create a, first I'm telling it, so I've given it all of the images. I'm telling it to use the images provided to make the different sections of the page exactly as the images provided. So use these and make each section according to the images provided for each section. And then I'm telling it to create a loading screen as well and use the Google fonts, because this is what is being used in these images, and use Lucid React icons. I just want to specify that one because I did another one like this, and the problem ended up being that it didn't understand what to use. The next one is use the images in the public folder in the project according to the different sections. So it's going to look at all of the images and all of the videos, and actually I'm going to tell it use the images and videos in the public folder in the project according to the different sections. So it's going to look at all of these and figure out where each thing goes. So I'm just going to let it do its thing and then come back. Okay, so it looks like it's done. It's created all of these different things in the source components. Okay, it's created all of this. So let's just check this out. I need to start the server. So let me just start the server first. Okay, it started the server. Now let's just check this out. Oh, yeah, it didn't do it correctly. Okay. Try to mimic it. Didn't really succeed that much because let me show you the actual website. So this is it. It wasn't able to do the corners correctly. Also, it didn't create a border. What it's tried to do is create a background, okay, and then just added the image here, which is not correct. This is actually similar, but this would need to change. Also, this needs to change as well. Oh, actually, I like that. Let me just refresh this. Okay, that's good. Okay, this section is good. It should have been a black background, but whatever. Okay, so it's done this. Let me just. Okay, so it plays the video. It was smart enough to understand that it needed to play the video here. But this button should have disappeared, in my opinion. And this video should have played once, but I guess I need to specify that, but it's still good enough, in my opinion. Okay. Oh, it used that video. It's fine. It didn't place these correctly, in my opinion. Actually, no, it placed it correctly. It just didn't add the lines. That's the problem. This should not have been a video. This should have been a image. But whatever. I can fix that later. Okay. It's using videos here, which was not what I wanted. It should have used the images, but that's also fixable. Okay, let's see if the FAQ section works. Okay, so it did its own research, I believe, and it just did this itself, though this should have been bigger. But this is actually a good functioning part, and I like that it got the understanding of this, although I would have put it a little bit above. But still, even the icons are working. That's good. So a little bit of tweaking is necessary, but it did do about 80% of the job, in my opinion. This one was the most disappointing section, in my opinion, because this text need to be smaller. This need to be the whole area, this image. Because if I just show you each section, this is what it looks like. Okay, these need to be bigger. As you can see, they're smaller and not taking in all of the space. This is close enough that you can tweak it a little bit. And this need to be like this, but it did it like this. But whatever, it's fine. So let's go to the next section. This was supposed to be like this, but this is close enough that you can tweak it. And then this part actually is closer to what we had. Okay, so that's fine. You can tweak it a little bit. This one is also closer, but as you can see, these lines should have been used, but it did not use those lines. So that's disappointing. The gallery, as you can see, these are two images because this is a whole grid, but it didn't understand. Also, I think I did not even add this image or this one. The rest are here. This image I need to add, this one and this one. But that's my bad. I can just fix that later. The FAQ section, now that I look at it, this part isn't 100% correct, because if I look at it, you can see it just basically used list items. I think this needs to be a little bit better. It keeps doing this, but I think the reason for that is I forgot to add the logo, but I can just tweak all of this later. And this section needs to be like this, but it is close enough that you can kind of get away with it, but I'll be making it like this because this looks better. I'll quickly just pause the video, fix all of this, and then come back and then show you the final result.